Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today it's Monday, so today I'm here to share my page for Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art's channel. She's hosting this open collaboration in coloring, and I had joined in just so I can, get back into coloring and get back into coloring. Anyway, so she had picked out this coloring book, but you do not have to color in this coloring book. You just come on and share what you've colored. And then the second part of this collaboration is you can come on and share what you've created. So that's hence the name Color and Create with Us, You Rock Art. So Um, I'm not behind. I am behind in another collaboration. But let me share my page for this week. And this week was really fun to color. I love hot cocoa at this time of the year. And so this is my page. Um, I colored it. I have a red cup. I think sat here and tried to figure out what this was. I have no idea. So I kind of colored it like Rosemary did. Maybe it's a cookie. I was thinking it might be a gingerbread cookie. I don't know, with some frosting on it. I don't know. It just looked kind of weird to me being right there. But anyway, I colored it like a cookie, just like Rosemary did. Um, I colored the cup red with hot cocoa dripping down. This could have been whipped cream, but I thought the brown looks great against the red. And then I added some red swirl to the whipped cream. And then I added some green leaf. Well, these are leaves, so I colored it green normally. And here's the straw. I like how this page turned out. So that is my page for this week. And then I watched Rosemary's channel, and she is selecting this for next week. So I'll be back next Monday to color this page. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great Monday and your week. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.